Hi families, I'm going to show you the lessons provided and how to get to the other learning tools like Wonders for ELA and Pearson for math. So we're going to get started with Schoology. So your child's going to go to their courses, and this week we're working with language arts, math, and science. So for example, if I click language arts, you're going to see all the welcome. I'm just making sure you can see this. All the welcome from me, Miss Grow, if your child works with. So everything will be in the folder of April 6th through April 10th. Now there are 2 weeks of lessons, and your child will go through all the clickable items, so they'll take them through the I can statement. If you just hit the back button, you'll go right back to the lesson. Here's where they'll actually respond if there's a thought bubble. Think about it. You're going to read a realistic fiction text. What do you know about realistic fiction as a genre? They would type, and then they would post. All right, and then you don't want to hit the back button when you post just to make sure it's there. So if you see on the top there are clickable links, like you can go back to the folder, and then if you click back in lesson 1, you click the thought bubble again, you'd be able to see your post. And they would just go straight on through, learn about it. And then this is directing them to go to their McGraw-Hill app and go to their to-do. You will see a sidebar. When they click McGraw-Hill, you want to launch, well, it just blocked my pop-up, so I just hit always show, and that got me to my Wonders account. They go to 4th grade, and their screen will look like this, except their green to-do circle will have like 4 or like a red number of how many items they're going to do. And I would stick with what Schoology is telling them to do in order. So first the vocab, then Sadie's game. All right, so that's language arts. I'm going to head over to math. Again, I'm looking for that folder, April 6th. They're going to go through that lesson format. So if you click the outcomes, that's their standard. Hit the back button. Think about it. They have fractions, right? One thing that is the same, one thing that is different. They would explain and post. Again, I would not hit back if you're trying to post. You can hit the next button as well. There's a lot of ways to navigate through the lesson. So they're going to learn about it. And then after watching the video, so if you have a printer at home, you can print these things for your child. To go to their Pearson account to watch the videos listed, or like, hold on, show what you know, log on to Pearson and complete the quick check. Sorry, I'm not sure if my screen is doing the best I can here. So to go to Pearson, you would go back to your BCPS 1 home screen, instructional and productivity tools. Pearson is hiding where Dreambox is. And from this page, you would hit Pearson Realize. Okay, and then they would go to their classes and they would look for that quick check, okay? So It looks like Pearson works on Google Chrome. I know it's a lot of pages, but just do the best you can. And Schoology is going to be the easiest place for me to see if your child is participating in the lessons. So thank you so much and good luck. My office hours start at 8:30 if you need any help.